What's up everyone? Welcome to my vlog. So, ngayon is mag-unbox tayo ng accessory. Pero yung accessory natin ngayon ay from Harry Potter. So, there's only 2 accessory in Harry Potter. So, isa doon is yung time turner ni Hermione. Yun yung necklace time turner ni Hermione, and then yung Horcrux yung necklace ni Regulus Black. So we're gonna unbox them today para makita nyo. So binili ko to siya sa bookshop. So ayun, there you go. So time turner and yung locket, Horcrux Locket. So, ayan. We're gonna unbox them and see kung anong itsura nila. Actually, meron akong time turner dati, but I can't find it. And binili ko yun siya is €1 lang. So, plastic, made of plastic. I'm thinking na this one is plastic din siguro. Pero this one is an official merchandise. So yung isa is copycat lang, parang galing China. So ayun nga, copycat lang yun. So ito original merchandise, binili ko sa bookshop. So ayun, ang isa is nasa €10. Yeah, both of them €10. So €10 is equivalent to 600 pesos. So simulan na natin siyang buksan. Unahin siguro natin ang time turner ni Hermione. So okay, pahirapan tong scotch tape. Huwag sanang masira yung box. So, sa loob ng box, number 1, merong sticker book. So, yan. Meron siyang sticker. Yung sticker niya is hindi gaano kaganda yung quality. But, okay naman siya. So, ang time turner is from the 3rd movie, Prisoners of Azkaban. So, yung mga stickers na pinapakita dito is scenes from Prisoners of Azkaban. So, ayun, may sticker siya sa loob. And then, yung time turner. So, gaya nga ng in-expect ko, plastic. So, ayan. Yung hourglass niya is working. Yan. Gumagana siya. Hindi nga lang siya nakikita masyado. So, yan. Worth it ba ang €9? I doubt it. Feeling ko parang mas maganda pa yung unang nabili ko. Sana lang makita ko siya para ma-compare natin yung €1 versus yung €10. Ang kagandahan lang dito sa €10 is mahaba yung tali niya. So, ayan. Yan yung ating time turner. So ang ginagawa ni Hermione, gumagano'n siya. Ganyan. So, that's box number 1. And next is Horcrux Locket. This is not super unboxing. Bigla ang planong unboxing lang. So, sa loob, meron tayo ulit sticker book. Maliit siyang sticker book. So, yung locket, kung maalala nyo, is pinakita siya sa Deathly Hallows. So, yung sticker is yung mga scenes from Deathly Hallows. So, ito yung locket from the scene. Tingnan natin kung magkamukha ba sila. So, plastic din siya. Ayan. So, may design siya sa loob. Ganyan. So, this is a locket. Aray ko. So, nabubuksan siya. And, plastic siya. So, yan, plastic siya. Pero yung tali, hindi plastic. So, yan. Ang layo sa itsura. Yeah, sobrang layo sa original. Worth it? No, it's not worth it at all. So, ayan, ang ating dalawang. Okay, ata ito pang props. Dalawang necklace. Time turner. Regulus Locket. The Horcrux. So, ayan. So, both boxes ay may sticker book. So, yun. I guess that's it for this video. Unboxing and review. Wala akong masabi sa review kung ano man. All I can say is made of plastic and it's not worth it for the price. I think mas okay pa yung mga Chinese version kasi steel, parang stainless steel na fake, pero yung nagfi-fade, ewan ko nung tawag doon, basta yun, hindi siya plastic, hindi siya ganito ka plastic. Like this one is, pag natapakan mo to, sira to, patay to. So ayun po sila. So, that's our unboxing for today. So, before you turn this video off, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like or dislike if you don't like it, and comment down below anything you want. Kung meron man kayong suggestion or gustong makita, just comment down below. So, see you in the next one. Bye-bye!
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed